Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Balaone. This week we are going to look into container apps. Let's walk through the application in Azure. Let's get started. So this is the same app we created in the last demo. So once you navigate into the app, you could see the application URL, what the environment type, what everything is enabled here. So moving on to the application. So the next one you see is revision and replicas. How many revisions, if you upload a new version or something, it's going to show up here. You can see this create a new revision, and then you could choose the new container image, give it a name, and then you can see the termination grace period, so when it can flip, and then you could do that. Moving on to the containers. So here you can see the container currently running is a simple hello world container, but if you have different containers, then you can do this. And then here you can see the registry is MCR, the Microsoft Container Registry, k8sc quick start image, latest tag, command is latest. And here you can have environment variables if you have anything that your application would need internally. And then you do have the health probes. At the moment, liveness and other probes are disabled, but if you have, you could enable those probes. Volume mount, at the moment I don't have anything like secrets or file shares. This is a simple one, but you could visit all those things here. The same with the bindings that I showed in the demo. If we go to the scale, you could see the role setting, like you can have maximum 10 replicas and automatic scaling can be enabled. At the moment, the number of replica is just one. And you can add a scale rule here. So enter the rule name. And then you could say, like, according to the traffic you want to do it, or Azure queue, or if you want to have a custom one, you could create those rules here. Moving on to the volumes. So here is the volume where you could have a Azure file storage or other storage options, or a secret that could be shared within your container app. So this is where you would do that. Moving on to the setting, these are all the normal settings, but the important ones here are the ingress. So at the moment, ingress is the one allows you to send the traffic in and out of the container apps. Right now, you could see this as the endpoint and what app it is going to do and what port it is doing it. If you have different ports, then you could manage all those things here. And also you can see the restriction allow all traffic. It's a wide open, but you can also have certain, if it is an internal only, then you could deny or allow it accordingly. Moving on to the next one is Dapper. So at the moment it is disabled, but you can enable this and then you can give an app ID, app port, what protocol and all the details here. Then the Dapper would be enabled. If you have multiple container apps, the Dapper could talk to each other and it can take care of a lot of other things. Dapper, it's its own topic we'll discuss through. Resilience is something like to recover from failures, and this is right now in preview mode. You could just enable it accordingly, like if it is a timeout or a HTTP retries to enable this. In the monitoring, it's a regular alerts, metrics, logs that you would do with any application. So that's a quick demo on the container apps. See you again next week with another topic. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.